Hi guys, welcome to this video on AWS Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence Certification. So in this video, you will get to know all the details related to AWS Machine Learning and AI certification. So let us move on to the agenda for this video. So first we'll have an introduction to machine learning and AI, where we'll see the description of machine learning and artificial intelligence with the help of example. After that, we'll look into what is AWS, where we'll first understand about cloud services, the types of cloud services, and then we'll move on to AWS. After that, we'll see AWS machine learning and artificial intelligence certification details. And then finally, we'll look into the career scope, which includes job scope and salary of an AWS machine learning specialist. Now, without wasting any time, let us move on to the first part, which is an introduction to ML and AI. So first of all, we'll see what is machine learning. So machine learning is actually a fragment of artificial intelligence that involves modeling of algorithms, and these algorithms inject abilities into a machine for performing distinct tasks without being explicitly programmed. So machine learning is one of the most exciting technologies that one would have ever come across. So as it is evident from the name, it gives the computer that makes it more similar to humans, the ability to learn. And machine learning is actively being used today, perhaps in many and most of the places that one would expect. So in actual, machine learning is an application, or you can say the subset of artificial intelligence, and it gives devices the ability to learn from their experiences and improve their self without doing any coding. For example, when you shop from any website like Flipkart, Amazon or Myntra, so it shows you the related searches like people who bought also saw this product. That gives a rough idea about what people are buying out with the product that you are searching for. So it is all about the study of making machines more human-like in their behavior and decisions by giving them the ability to learn and develop their own programs. So this is done with minimum human intervention and no explicit programming. So the learning process is automated and improved based on the experiences of the machines throughout the process. And good quality of data is fed into the machines, and different algorithms are used to build the machine learning models in order to train the machines on this data. So first we provide the quality data set, we use the algorithms. So also the choice of algorithm depends on the type of data at hand and the type of activity that needs to be performed. Then the machine is made ready for deployment. So we can do a lot of things using the machine learning models, such as identifying object, identifying text, or it can be showing the predictions as per the data that is provided to the machine. So further, there are a lot of applications of machine learning, such as traffic prediction, product recommendations, email spam detection, medical diagnosis. So you might have used Google Maps for traveling from one place to another. So it uses machine learning algorithms to give you the exact path or to compute the optimized path for traveling from one place to another as per the traffic. Also, Amazon uses product recommendation system for recommending the products that are relevant to the searches of the customer in order to make their website user friendly. Then machine learning algorithms are used to detect the spammed email, and machine learning is also used in medical diagnosis. Further, let us look into one of the real life example of machine learning, which is Microsoft's Kinect gaming platform. So Kinect is a product of Microsoft for Xbox 360 that is a combination of software and hardware which provides motion sensor feature in gaming. So it consists of RGB camera, depth sensor and microphone that helps in the following, that is 3D motion capture, facial recognition and voice recognition. Now guess what? It uses machine learning algorithm to detect the motion of the body. So for detecting the 3D motions or full body movements in the game through sensors, Microsoft has used random forest algorithm of machine learning. So from this we can understand that machine learning can be used in a lot of ways for building a lot of applications that needs automation or a creative solution. So this was about machine learning. Now let us move on to what is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science where we use different algorithms and neural networks to build machines that are capable of performing distinct tasks efficiently that typically requires human intelligence. So here we provide the data set, and mostly all of the AI based applications are built using neural networks as well as machine learning algorithms. And the machines are created in such a way that it learns and improves by itself when exposed to more data and gives us more accurate output. So AI is all about the intelligence demonstrated by machines, and artificial intelligence has actually grown to be very popular in today's world, and it is the simulation of natural intelligence in machines that are programmed to learn and mimic the actions of humans. So these machines are capable to learn with experience and perform human-like tasks. So as technologies such as AI continue to grow, they will have a great impact on our quality of life. So there are various applications of artificial intelligence. So first one is image recognition, speech recognition, then self-driving cars, and virtual personal assistant. So there are many more applications, but these are few of them. So we have Google Lens, which is a great application of image recognition. We have Google Translate, where we can translate a text from one language to another, which is a great application of speech recognition that uses artificial intelligence. Then comes self-driving cars. So there are a lot of companies such as Neuro, Tesla, Nissan who have successfully developed self-driving cars. Then we have Alexa and Siri as the example for virtual personal assistant. So coming to one of the application of artificial intelligence, so we have Google Neural Machine Translation. So Google Neural Machine Translation is a machine translation system developed by Google that uses artificial intelligence, or you can say that uses neural networks to increase fluency and accuracy in Google Translate. So this GNMT has reduced the translation errors by up to 90%, which is a great achievement in the field of artificial intelligence. So till now we have a decent introduction to AI and machine learning. Now further, let us understand about the cloud services, Amazon Web Services, and AWS machine learning. So before moving to AWS, first we'll have an introduction to cloud services. So cloud services applies to a broad range of services provided over the internet to businesses and consumers on demand without the need for internal infrastructure or hardware. Now to understand cloud services in a better way, let us look at an example. Suppose a businessman want to establish a company. So he would require a technical team, marketing team, business operations, customer service, and a lot of things. So he may require storage services for storing the data of their customer, their employee, and whatever business he wants to operate. So he need infrastructure for the storage of the data. Then comes application, services, or softwares that are required to run the business. And there can be many more requirements as per the type of business that the businessman wants to establish. So all of this requires a lot of effort as well as money to create the software application, to set up the infrastructure. Also, it may take a lot of time as well as money to set up the infrastructure for the company. So this is where cloud services come into play. Here, companies can use infrastructure for storage, for application, for software by just paying the amount to the companies who are providing cloud services. So there are certain types of cloud services that are provided by the service providers. So this is software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. So in software as a service, it is a valuable tool for CRM, that stands for customer relationship management, and for applications that need a lot of web or mobile access, such as mobile sales management software and many more. So in this type of service, there is a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on a subscription basis and is centrally hosted. And it is sometimes referred to as on-demand service that provides these services to their users as per their demand. Then comes infrastructure as a service. So it offers the fundamental infrastructure such as virtual servers, network, operating systems, and data storage drives. So this reduces the burden for the business owners to establish the infrastructure for their business. Then comes platform as a service, where web applications can be created quickly and easily using the platform as a services, and the services are flexible and robust enough to support the businesses. Now, among all of the cloud providers, one of the popular one is Amazon. So let us look into the details of Amazon Web Services. So Amazon Web Service is a widely used cloud platform that offers flexible, reliable, scalable, easy to use, and cost-effective cloud computing solutions. So Amazon Web Services offers a wide range of different business purpose global cloud-based products. And the products includes storage, databases, analytics, networking, mobile, development tools, enterprise applications with a pay-as-you-go pricing model. So you can pay according to your requirements and you can use Amazon Web Services. So you can pay as per your requirements and then you can use the cloud services provided by Amazon. Now there are few of the most important services that are provided by Amazon, and these are Amazon Route 53, Elastic Load Balancing, Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, Amazon EBS, Amazon Direct Connect, Amazon EC2 and VPC, and Elastic IP. So till now you have a quite good idea about machine learning, artificial intelligence, cloud services, and Amazon Web Services. Now you might have a question that what is AWS machine learning and artificial intelligence? So let us move on to that. So Amazon Machine Learning is a product of Amazon Web Services that enables a developer through algorithms to discover trends in end user data, build mathematical models, and then build as well as implement predictive applications. Now for creating AI based or ML based applications, we need to write a lot of code for cleansing the data, for data manipulation or for data visualization, as well as for implementing the machine learning algorithms. So we actually use Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab for accomplishing these tasks, for writing the codes, or if you are developing the application using R programming, we use R Studio to do that. So there we need to actually write codes for each and every step. That would really take a lot of time for development. Whereas when we use AWS Machine Learning API to do so, it literally saves a lot of time. So using AWS, we can load the dataset and without even writing any code, we can implement the machine learning algorithms for creating ML or AI based application, as well as we can evaluate the performance and then deploy the model using various services provided by AWS as per our requirement. So this is what AWS machine learning provides to us. So there are certain key concepts of AWS machine learning that you need to know. So Amazon Machine Learning reads data through Amazon Simple Storage Services, that is known as S3, as well as Redshift and Relational Database Service. Then visualize the data through AWS Management Console and the Amazon Machine Learning API. Now coming to various factors such as data sources, ML models, evaluations, batch predictions, and real-time predictions. So it includes metadata connected to Amazon ML data inputs that actually act as an object that contains the location of our input data and important metadata about our input data. So Amazon ML uses the data source for operations like machine learning, model training, and evaluation. Then comes ML models. So it uses the patterns derived from the input data to generate the predictions using the machine learning models. Coming to evaluation, it measures the efficiency of ML models that we create. Then comes batch prediction, that is useful when we want to generate predictions for a set of observations all at once and then take the action on a certain percentage or number of the observations. And finally comes the real-time predictions that are commonly used to enable the predictive capabilities within interactive web or mobile or desktop applications. So you can actually query an ML model created with Amazon ML for predictions in real time. Now, I hope the motive behind using AWS machine learning is clear. So further, let us move on to the certification that is provided by Amazon, which is known as AWS Machine Learning Certification. So here we'll discuss the details related to AWS Machine Learning Certification. So starting off with why AWS Machine Learning Certification. Now let us look into the stats for Amazon Web Services first. So according to Amazon, the number of active AWS users has exceeded 1 lakh. Also more than 120 Fortune 500 companies uses AWS. Now coming to machine learning and artificial intelligence, according to Forbes, a research shows that 86% of the businesses are having the benefits of better customer experience through AI, and 25% of the companies expect to see the tech payout as well as the increased revenue during 2021 by using machine learning and artificial intelligence. So from this, we can understand that there are a lot of companies who are using AWS machine learning or both, and there urges the demand for the professionals who are having knowledge of AWS services, how to use them, as well as who has the knowledge of developing and deploying AI and ML based applications using AWS services. Therefore, AWS has designed this certification exam to test the capabilities of the individuals in both AWS as well as in machine learning. So there are certain prerequisites and skills required in order to go for this certification exam. So Amazon recommends that a candidate appearing for the AWS machine learning specialty exam shall have the following knowledge and experience. So they should have 1 to 2 years of experience developing, architecting, or running ML as well as deep learning workloads on the AWS cloud platform. Then they should have experience performing basic hyperparameter optimization. They should have experience with machine learning frameworks. They should have ability to follow model training best practices. Then they should have the ability to follow deployment and operational best practices. So these are the specific prerequisites for taking up AWS machine learning certification exam. Now further, let us look at the marks distribution. So this certification exam consists of 4 domains. That is, syllabus is divided into 4 domains, which is data engineering, exploratory data analysis, modeling, and machine learning implementation and operation. So data engineering consists of 20% weightage. EDA, that is exploratory data analysis, consists of 24% of weightage. Then modeling consists of 36%. And machine learning implementation and operation consist of 20%. Now further, let us look at the description of these domain of the syllabus. So starting with data engineering. So here you should know how to create data repositories for machine learning. Then you should know how to identify and implement the data ingestion solution. Then you should know how to identify and implement a data transformation. Further, coming to exploratory data analysis, you should have knowledge of cleaning and preparing the data for modeling, then perform feature engineering, then analyze and visualize the data for machine learning. Further, coming to modeling, you should have knowledge of how to select the appropriate model for a given machine learning problem, then train the machine learning models, then perform hyperparameter optimization, then evaluate machine learning models. Now coming to the last one, you should have knowledge of building machine learning solutions, then recommend and implement machine learning services, apply basic AWS security practices to machine learning solutions, and then deploy and operationalize machine learning solutions using the AWS platform. So in this ML implementation and operation domain, you should have knowledge of these things. Now, this was about the syllabus distribution for the AWS Machine Learning Certification exam. Now, let us look into the certification exam details. So, coming to format, it consists of 65 multiple choice and multiple answers questions that you need to answer. Then comes type. So, it is kept into the category of specialty in among all of the certifications that are available, that are provided by AWS. Then comes cost. So the cost for this certification exam is $300. Then coming to delivery method, so it can be in the testing center or it can be online proctored exam. Then the time allotted for the completion of the questions is 180 minutes, and then passing percentage is 75%. So the exam is of 1000 marks and you have to score 750 out of 1000 in order to clear the certification exam. Now, this was about the certification exam details. Now, you might have a question about the career scope after clearing the certification. So now we'll discuss about the job scope and salary of AWS machine learning engineer who clears the certification of AWS machine learning specialty. So coming to job opportunities, according to LinkedIn, there are 30,000 plus jobs available for machine learning and AI professionals in the United States. And according to Naukri.com, in India, there are 7,000 plus jobs available for machine learning and AI professionals. So these numbers clearly states that there are a plethora of job opportunities for the professionals who are into machine learning and AI. Now, further coming to the salary. So according to PayScale, the average salary of AWS machine learning engineers is $114,000 in the United States, and in India the average salary is 12.5 lakh per annum. So coming to the average salaries in different companies, so Amazon pays rupees 24.7 lakh per annum to the professionals. Then coming to TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services, so they pay 7.9 lakh per annum, and Accenture pays 11.4 lakh per annum, and IBM on an average pays 11.3 lakh per annum. So now we have come to an end of this video, and I hope this video was informative to you and you got a thorough idea of AWS Machine Learning Certification exam and its related detail. So thank you very much for watching this video and have a good day ahead.